this guy was only 19, right? He's a Scottish guy. But he wrote this song when he was 19 with Christy Moore, this guy we were talking to about.
Yeah.
Christy Moore actually recorded it, and I'd say I learned it about 30 years ago. It's a nice song. So.
Let's hear it.
Apples still grow in November, when blossoms still bloom on each tree, when leaves are still green in December, it's then that our land will be free. I've wandered her hills and her valleys, and still through my sorrow I see a land that has never known freedom, and still only her rivers run free. I drink to the death of her manhood, those men who would rather have died than to live in the cold chains of bondage, to bring back their rights were denied. Oh, where are you now when we need you? What burns where the flame used to be? Have you gone like the snows of last winter, and still only her rivers run free? How sweet is life, but it's crying. How mellow the wines that were dried. How fragrant the rose, but it's dying. How gentle the wind, but it sighs. What good is in youth when it's aging? What joy are in eyes that can see? When there's sorrow and sunshine and flowers, and still only her rivers run free, and still only her rivers run free.
That was beautiful. 19 years old, huh?
He was 19 when he wrote that.
You can't find things that last anymore, like an old woman never. Oh, shades of red and blue. Came up and never home again. Shades of red and blue.
Right, huh? For strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But the good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm never back this way. Snow fly, rabbit